Assalamualaikum and good morning, Faz Mutiara. Okay, are you ready to learn English with Mr. Fizri? Okay, so today is Sunday, 27 June 2021. Faz Mutiara, the subject is English. Okay, so the cartoon here says, good morning, have a nice day. Selamat pagi, semoga hari yang indah untuk awak. Okay, so today we want to continue. Okay, kita nak sambung jawab modul. Okay, hari tu kita dah jawab sampai atas sini kan, number 3. And then so today we want to answer number 4. Answer the questions, write complete sentences. Okay, jawab soalan, tulis ayat yang lengkap. Okay, so the questions here you can find the answer from here. Okay, jawapan boleh kita dapat daripada sini, tapi kena carilah, you have to read. But I will try to help you to find the answers. Okay, saya boleh tolong sikit lah. Okay, so number 1, what are the students wearing? Apa yang pelajar-pelajar pakai? Okay, so, okay, before that, okay, have you read this? Dah baca ke belum? Okay, so ini adalah cerita tentang sebuah sekolah, okay, yang bernama Windermere School. Okay, Windermere School ni adalah sekolah berasrama. Okay, dia sangat unik sebab keliling dia ada tasik, ada bukit. Okay, so dia tempat yang cantik lah. Okay, so number 1, what are the students wearing? Apakah yang pelajar-pelajar pakai? Okay, jom kita cari mana perkataan wearing. Okay, this one, wearing. So they are all wearing school uniform. Okay, so this is the answer for number 1. Okay, salin sahaja dekat sini. Okay, very easy, sangat senang. Okay, number 2, why is Lake Windermere special? Kenapa tasik Windermere ini istimewa? Okay, so kita kena cari Lake Windermere pula. Okay, dekat B ada tak? Lake Windermere. No, B tak ada. C, Lake Windermere. Lake Windermere. One of the most beautiful lakes in England. Salah satu tasik yang paling cantik di England. So, the answer is from here. Kita ambil one of the most beautiful lakes in England. Okay, boleh? Okay, tapi mula-mula kena capital capital letter, permulaan huruf besar, and lastly mesti ada full stop. Okay, next, number 3. When do lessons finish every day? Bilakah pembelajaran tamat setiap hari? Okay, cuba cari lessons finish. Lessons finish. Okay, sini tak ada D. Lessons finish. Okay, tak ada. Kita cuba cari lagi. Okay, dia habis belajar pukul berapa? Okay. Okay, so this one kita tengok Most days, the students study subjects like maths, art, English or science from 8:45 to 4. Okay, so maksudnya mula pukul 8.45, habis pukul 4. So, kita nak jawab macam mana? Kita tulis, the lessons finish at 4. Okay, the lessons finish at 4. Boleh tak? Okay, tak apa, saya try tulis dekat sini. Okay. Okay. The lesson finish the lessons finish at 4 p.m. Okay, so this is answer for number 3. Boleh Senang kan? Okay, and then number 4, what do the students use when they go on the lake? Okay, murid-murid guna apa semasa pergi ke Lake Tasik? Okay, cuba cari. Nampak? Students climb in the mountains here or go on the lake in boats. Okay, so kita boleh jawab. Students use, okay, ambil ayat ni, students use boats. Students use boats. Okay, kalau nak panjang, students use boats when they go on the lake. Okay, number 5. Do you think boarding schools are a good idea? Why? Why not? Okay, awak rasa boarding schools ni sekolah berasrama. Awak rasa sekolah berasrama ni adakah sesuatu yang bagus? Kenapa? Kenapa tidak? Okay, kalau rasa sesuatu yang bagus, write yes. Yes, comma, because. Kalau rasa tak bagus, no, comma, because. Okay, bagus ke tak bagus? Okay, kita try. We try, okay. Sini. Hilang. Xbox. Okay, kalau rasa bagus, Y-E-S, yes. Because, kerana apa? Kenapa bagus? Because, katakanlah kita boleh belajar untuk berdikari, okay? Because we can be independent, okay? Boleh, okay. Kalau rasa tak bagus, you write no, okay? No. Because, kerana apa tak bagus? So, awak fikirlah. You try to think and discuss with your family, okay? So, it's up to you. Yes, boleh, no pun boleh. Tapi mesti ada reason. Okay, lastly, number 6. Do you like the sound of this school? Why? Why not? Okay. Awak suka, sound ni bukan bunyi. Dia tanya awak suka tak cerita sekolah ni. Melalui penceritaan ini, awak suka tak sekolah ni? Dia ada boleh naik boat, boleh naik bukit kan. So, kalau saya suka lah. Okay. So, kalau suka, you can write yes. Okay, kalau suka, tulis yes. Yes. Because I can go to the lake. Okay. Contoh, saya boleh pergi ke Tasik. Ataupun, yes, because it is beautiful. Okay. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Pun boleh. Alright. So, saya dah bagi jawapan. Saya dah tunjuk jawapannya. So, sangat senang. I hope you can do it. And then take picture and send to me, okay? So that's all for today and thank you.